Nicole Capusog, your student nurse for today. I am from University of Cebu Vanillad College of Nursing. So for today, I'm gonna do urine testing. So for the urine testing, ma'am, is you're gonna catch your urine here, midway of your urine. Here, you're gonna put it here. So, okay, I already have my sample. So I'm gonna start now since I already prepared all my materials, my gloves, my sample, alcohol lamp, acetic acid, Benedict solution, denatured alcohol, my test tube, and test tube holder with the dropper and the glass. So I'm gonna start with hand washing. And I'm gonna do my open gloving now. Now I'm gonna put it in the waste receptacle. So now I'm gonna start. So I'm gonna light up an alcohol lamp and I'll get my test tube with the test tube holder and the test tube. And I'm gonna put my Benedict solution. So 5 cc of Benedict solution. So 5. Then I'm gonna drop some five drops of the urine sample. 2, 3, 5. Now I'm gonna heat it for 3 minutes. Then I'm gonna put it here to cool down. And then after cooling down, I'll get my urine chart and compare for the result. So for the next is the acetic acid. I open it first. So for the acetic acid, I'm gonna get my test tube, my test tube holder in the middle, and I'm gonna put 5 cc of urine. Four, 5. Now I'm gonna boil it in the alcohol lamp in the middle until it bubbles. So after it bubbles, I'm gonna add 3 drops of acetic acid. So 1, 2, 3. Then I'm gonna let it on the heat again. Then cool down. And then after cooling down, I'm gonna check also for the result, compare. Then I'm done. So I'm gonna do my aftercare. I'm just gonna drain it in our CR. And I'm gonna cover this. And this. So I'm gonna put it in a plastic here. Because it's already contaminated. And so now done. And I'm gonna put back. I'm gonna first take off my gloves, put in the waste receptacle, then hand washing, and put all my materials back in my CHN bag. So for the alcohol, I'm gonna put it back here in the plastic. And my solutions. So I'm gonna take off my apron. Hold it like this. Then put it in a bag, plastic bag here. And put it in the CHN bag. So I'm already done. And thank you.